Alright guys, so now that we know a little bit about how to actually create this site, when we open the site we need to do a couple things. And one of those major things is to create pages. If you look over here on the right side of the screen, you'll see that there's a pages icon. And you can tap that and that will bring up this. You'll see right here, home, that you can see that I have various pages here, but you don't see them over here, which seems weird, except here's this little triangle that we click and there they all are. You'll also notice, hopefully a little bit, that there are 3 dots over here. If I click those 3 dots right beside one of them, I can duplicate a page or I can add a sub-page. The ones that you see below here are sub-pages of the home page. So I can create a new one, add a sub-page, I give it a title, Mrs. Dinges loves cats. Let's say that it's that. And I say done. And there it is. So now, let's say that I want to go to that page and I want to create a subpage under that. I'm going to look for the 3 dots just to the side, and I can continue to also add a home page below that. So, cat pictures. I could add a subpage again. You see the 3 dots. Or I want to add another subpage here. Maybe I like cat videos as well. So now I've got multiple subpages under there. If you don't see them, be checking this little arrow. When it points down, you've got something below it. When it points to it, you don't have anything showing. You'll notice these don't have any subpages when we go. To actually make a link from a page, you have to actually have created the page. So for example, you will see this little link right here. I have to have already created the page over here to give this link something. So if you go to, let's say that I'm going to go to preview so I can see this. To make this link actually work, I have to have already created that page. If I don't create that page, it doesn't give me the option to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and exit out of the preview so that I can show you a little bit more about that. So I have a variety of pages. You can always be adding pages as you go. That is not even a problem. When you want to think about themes, your theme will stay the same no matter what. And there's various options you can have. I'm just on the simple theme and I like to add my own background. And you'll see that I can change images right here. I can upload, I could select an image, but I want them to be somewhat consistent. So whatever you choose on this page will be what is on every single other page. So this one's called Simple. It gives me a font style. I can choose one I want. I can choose the colors that go along with that. As you continue going, I can add pictures and so on, but that is another one of my videos. So that's just a simple way that you can continue to just add pages as you continue to go.